Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, September 8th, 2011. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 34 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning with a high probability gap trade setting up right for the pre-market, right before the open, and wouldn't you know it, that high probability trade took a full stop out to the tick before ultimately going up and filling its half gap and full gap. So the first trade of the day was right before the open, minus 14 ticks on that. There was a quick reset, another signal to get long, and that one did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 12 ticks as we pushed up towards and filled, like I said, both the half gap, the 4 o'clock gap, and touched the previous day's high. Now we had a large range that was kind of starting out this morning, and we started wedging in. We came off that high at 1198, came down through our moving average, had a nice extension short that ended up producing targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks as we pushed down into the 10 o'clock reversal time frame where we tested our previous lows that we made on that stop out, found a support there, came through our moving average, ranged right back up to that previous high as we came through, and unfortunately for us this move was so quick we did not get a signal entry to get on it. Now there was what we call a 9 idealized in a technique that we use with these high Kanashi candles that you could have pulled into it as it came across the moving average here, but it was not an official trade setup, and it was unfortunate because this market kind of took off there and not only pushed higher back to its previous levels, but you can see it kind of consolidated here for 2 rotations and broke out to the upside, which was also a longer term wedge on a longer term time frame, broke out of that level, went up and made new highs past the Globex session before coming down and ultimately crossing back through the moving average to the downside. It did set up one tight little signal right before the lunchtime dead zone for targets 1 and targets 2 for a small 6 tick win before ultimately falling off hard during that dead zone. Now between 11:30 and 1:15, it's the red area you see on the charts here. We do not initiate any new trades. We kind of let the lunchtime come and go, and a good thing because there was a lot of back and forth price action, but there was a nice setup. As soon as we came out of lunch, you can see it spiked up here, hit the bottom side of that previous day's high again, and Big Ben came on the airwaves and we had a quick move to the downside. That nice bounce gave us a signal to get short, and that was a huge swing, targets 1 and targets 2 for 24 ticks. And then that was the last trade of the day because we don't take on any new trades after 3 p.m. So all in all, other than starting out in the hole with that pre-market half gap, ended up being a great day. 5 trades, 34 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.